Let's see how to type summation with limits in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to insert a summation equation into our Word document. So what we can do is make use of Microsoft Word's equation function. And what we can do is head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation right here. And that should open up this equation field right here. And to look for summation equation, you'll see it in the large operator. And you'll see that you have the summation section right here. Now, summation with limits is this one. And as you can see, we now have a summation equation where we can write the upper limit, the lower limit, and the variable value. So for example, let's just simply type in our values really quick. And that is what a summation with limits equation looks like. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.